Hey guys, welcome back to Lexus. I'm not going to show you my face because I'm indisposed at the moment. But I want to talk about my dad wallets and how you can get them custom colors. If you go on the website, you'll notice that when you select these, there's like 4 options as far as the colors. And I want to go over that with you. Of course, you can get it all one color. Like this is the burgundy with the beetroot red stitch. It looks really, really sharp. But there's 4 different, 5 different options, okay? By the way, this is gray, dark green, and light, mint green. I think it's light pale green, sorry. Anyway, so the options are gonna be the outside body, which is this dark green. That's the outside body. The outside wrap is this piece that wraps around for quick access to cards. The inside body is going to be this cash slot right here, this part here. That's going to be the inside body. And then, of course, you have your left pocket and you have your right pocket. There's also an option for initials. I can only do 2, and that's going to be right there. So if you don't want initials, just make sure that you select none. But yeah, so you can see this is really customizable, and I have a bunch of different colors. Just make sure you go down on the product page and look at all the colors I offer. You can mix and match all of this stuff to make it really personalized and your own. Alrighty? All right, have a good day. God bless you. Bye.